Yeah, put like 2 or 3 drops on the milk. Put 2 or 3 drops. Press, put it in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can have more. Okay. Okay, use the toothpick. Use the toothpick. Dip inside the soap here. Yeah, dip. And then dip into the green coloring. Watch. Dip inside. Whoop! You see it spread? Yeah? Did you see it spread? Isn't it cool?
Can I do something like it?
Yeah? I think you can only do 1 time if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Oh, it spread again. Yeah? Isn't it cool? Okay, try this one. Another color if you want. Okay, you get another color. Wait, put away the... Yeah, choose what color do you want. How about this one?
Okay, right.
Yeah, open up. Open up. Yeah, open up.
Yeah.
You can open up. Yeah. Okay, mommy take a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Dip the toothpick into the detergent. Yeah, the soap. Okay. And then watch the red color. Ooh, it's red. You want to see? Yeah, dip it in. Yeah, dip it in the middle. Yeah, you can see it's spread, right?
Huh? The red went away.
Yeah.
Can I? Hey, wait.
Yeah. Isn't it cool?
I want. Okay, I think no more. Is it?
Yeah, because I think you can do that many times. Okay.